Yo guys, welcome back to this update brought to you by Declan Storms 2. Bonnie has done it. It has survived over the mountainous terrains of Costa Rica and Nicaragua, and now it's over in the East Pack where it's been designated for E. Don't know why. Just been designated for E. I was surprised that they designated it for E. But anyway, distance from Leon is 96 miles. Magua, sorry I pronounced these names wrong, guys, is 107 miles. Agujalaku to 26 miles. Tapuchar, sorry for the pronunciation, 407 miles. Oaxaca, 703 miles, which is 1,800 kilometers. Tapuja, 655 kilometers away. Acujala is 363 kilometers away, and Magua, 171 kilometers away, and Leon is 155 kilometers away. So there are the kilometers from there. But Oaxaca, you guys can get some rainfall. But most of these masses will probably get some rainfall, but not a significant amount. But it has survived it. Colin is still active right now. Still delivering tropical storm force winds to the coast of South Carolina, North Carolina, and some and on the border between Virginia and North Carolina. But it's moving 7 miles an hour northeast, and then here's what it says. Tropical storm conditions are expected in with the warning area along the North Carolina coast this afternoon into Sunday. Rough surf and rip currents are likely to continue along the North Carolina coast through Sunday. Areas of heavy rainfall may result in localized flash flooding across portions of coastal North Carolina through Sunday morning. So you guys are going to get some heavy rainfall and stuff like that. Probably about 3, 4, 5 inches of rainfall. East Pack for Bonnie. Heavy rainfall across the portions of Nicaragua and Costa Rica will continue today. Life-threatening flash flooding and mudslides are expected. Tropical storm conditions are expected along the Pacific coasts of Costa Rica and Nicaragua, with the tropical storm warning areas for the next several hours. That's for Bonnie. Adria of Tropical Storm Bonnie. Tropical Storm Shaba has now made landfall in China, which has delivered probably some significant rain for about 20 inches of rainfall. Tropical Storm Airy is no longer a tropical storm, in my opinion. I think it's probably a remnant low or an extratropical storm. Colin is not really looking that good anymore. Bonnie, though, is looking super good. But Bonnie kind of wasn't looking that good. Just before it came off the coastline, but it's got organised together. Its LOC survived, and literally right now, it is a tropical storm. I think it's stronger than this. I think it's probably at least 45 knots, which is 50 miles an hour. That's what I think it looks like anyway. But if you have a look, I don't know if that's an eye trying to pop out right there, as you can see. But on the latest frames, that looks pretty scary. Because if that's an eye, then you know what these systems can do with an eye. But that's probably not an eye. That's probably just where it's just a bit of the convection's just going out. But that does look like an eye. If it says that on eye satellite on long wave IR, then that's probably an eye. But Dvorak's probably not picking up on that. Long wave IR Dvorak, nah. Water vapor doesn't want to work. But so yeah. Anyway, guys, that was Tropical Storm Bonnie satellite imagery. Show you some I'll show you some forecast models. The models want Bonnie to literally become a Category 3, maybe even a 4, and then start to weaken as this literally rapidly intensifies. But if this does happen, now I'm not saying if it does, but if this does happen, then the ocean heat content will not support a major hurricane in the East Pac. The ocean heat content is not there. The ocean heat content's cool. It's not like the Atlantic where it's up above the depth, so if like a major hurricane makes landfall or a tropical storm and it stores over the water for a day or two, it could just keep replenish the water. Where if a storm stalls in the Pacific or stalls off the coast of Mexico, then when the storm is stalling off the coast of Mexico, then the open ocean heat content's not really that warm conducive for it anymore, so it just dies off and starts weakening. But as you can see, here is the eye